guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of cooking, and in this video I am going to show you how I made my obodo ibo ofako or banga stew. So and here are my ingredients. Now, as we live abroad here, we don't usually have a lot of ingredients, like complete ingredients, like people that live in Nigeria. So there is difference between us and people that live in Nigeria. People that live in Nigeria, they have the complete ingredients, because this is a typical Nigerian stew. So I am going to show you how I cook my ofako or banga stew. So, and here are my ingredients. Meat, I have my chicken. Here is my chicken. Can you see my chicken? This type of, I love using chicken. I cut it big. I know people will be wondering why I cut it like this. Yes, I like my chicken. I cut my chicken big like this, because this is how I want it to be. Have you seen it? Yeah, here is my chicken. So I have my dry fish. Can you see my dry fish? Here is my dry fish. I don't like a lot of dry fish in my food, so I just took only 3. I'm going to use this 3. And again, I don't want to, I will put hot water. I will add hot water to make it softer before I debone it. So, and my cow meat, this is my cow meat. So this is my beef. Concentrate to, this is my beef, and this is my chaki. It's chaki. We call this chaki in Nigerian language. Sorry, we call this chaki in Nigerian language. It's gotten from the cow. Yeah. So I have my fish. Here is my fish. I use only one mackerel fish, because the soup I'm making is not the stew I'm making, rather, not soup, stew. The stew I'm making is not plenty. So here is my mackerel fish. I've already washed all these meats. I've washed them. Here is my onion. I've chopped my onion. I've chopped the onions. Can you see it? I've chopped it. So, and I have my main ingredients. Can you see? This is the concentrated akwu. I am not going to use a whole lot of it because it's too big. I'm going to use half, probably half. I have my dry pepper. I was supposed to use fresh pepper, but I don't have it right now. So this is the only one I can lay my hands on right now, this moment. And the shops are closed because of this this coronavirus crisis. So I'm using this pepper for it. I have my stock cube. This is Maggi stock cube. Can you see? This is my Maggi. My stock cube, but is Maggi product, is Star product. Here is my what is it called again? My nutmeg powder, my curry powder. These ones are for seasoning the meat. I'll use them to season the meat. Also for seasoning the meat, I have my what is this called again? My thyme is rosemary. Is rosemarino here in Italy, but it's rosemary. I think rosemary in English language. So I'm going to use it to season my meat. I have my salt. This is my salt. So this is my vegetable. This is a frozen spinach. It's a spinach because, as you know, we don't have scent leaf. If I were to be in Nigeria, I'll use scent leaf. Or yeah, scent leaf is the perfect for ofe akwu. But right now I don't have scent leaf, so I'm going to use this frozen spinach. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Here is how it looks like. Can you see? I brought it out since morning to defrost, so it has defrost. I'll just put it in my this thing now and cut and chop it. So yeah. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use for this meal. So I am going to start by, like I told you guys, I already washed my meat. I'm just going to boil the meat now. I will start from the meat. I'll boil the meat and the chicken and the cow meat. I'll boil them together, and when it gets to a certain stage, I'll put the fish. Then when the fish is a little bit done, I will remove the fish because I don't want it to cook with the meat because it's not as strong as the meat. Then I will remove the fish and fry it because I want my fish fried. And while I'm cooking, I will boil hot water and pour on this dry fish. Okay guys, let's get into the cooking. So guys, I've already seasoned my meat. I seasoned it with pepper, the rosemary, thyme, curry, stock cube, and salt. So right now I am going to leave it. I've not added any water, so the water will come out. You know that meat has its own water. The water will come out then before I add my own water. That is how I used to do it. And after which I will now add water. So when it's very well cooked, before I add the fish, I will get back to you guys. Okay? Alright. Hello guys. So as you can see now, I just added my fish. You can see my fish on the top. So I just added my fish now. The fish is going to cook. I'm going to leave it like this. So it's going to stay on top like this until the fish is cooked. Then when the fish is cooked, I will remove the fish from the rest of the meat. Then I will continue my cooking of the meat. Can you see guys? Hope you can see it very well. Sorry about my lightning. Yeah. Hello guys. So right now I am going to, as you can see, my fish is already done. The fish is already done, so I am going to remove the fish and leave only the meat. I'm going to remove the fish to fry it. Oh my god, it's already pieces inside. It's already scattering. I will not let it scatter completely. I'm removing it from the rest of the meat because it's time to fry. So while my meat is still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and fry my fish. Hi guys, so this is my meat, as you can see. So right now I'm going to add my concentrated akwu. This is akwu. I don't know what it's called in English. It's akwu, or I can't remember what it's called in English, so but I'm calling it akwu now. So this is my concentrated akwu. I'm going to add it into this meat now. So yeah, watch me do it guys. So as I have added this now, I will leave it to steam. As you can see, I've not added any water yet. So I'm just stirring it so that you go around the meat. I'm going to leave it now. Can you see how it is? I added a little water. So I am going to leave it now. I'll leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I will come back. So guys, this is like after about 10 minutes. Let me stir it. This is the consistency I want. Let me show you guys very well. This is the consistency I want. Not too thick and not too watery. Just normal. So I forgot to add my dry fish. I'll have to cook it for another 10 minutes. Then I will come back. Added my fish. This is my fried fish. I already fried this fish. And I am going to cook it for another 10 minutes. So guys, this is like after 10 minutes. I'm back again. Let me reduce the heat because so I just reduce the heat. Add my stock cube. I'll just add 2. I added 2 when I was cooking the meat. So I am going to add another 2 because the 2 I added earlier is not enough. I added my nutmeg powder. My curry, pepper, another pepper. I added pepper when I was cooking the meat. Now I still want to add extra pepper. Then my salt. Guys, I added little more water because it was getting too thick. So I added more water. To cook for about 5 minutes. So guys, this is like after 5 minutes. Here's my vegetable. I've already chopped the vegetable. The vegetable I showed you guys earlier, and I stir. Look at that, guys. Look at that freshness. Wow. Yeah. So can you see it's pretty easy to prepare and it's very yummy. Though the ingredients for it is not enough, it's not complete, not enough, it's not complete, but this is a decent Nigerian abroad made without very decent one. Guys, I'm going to enjoy this meal. Can you see it's pretty simple, it's very easy to prepare. It does not involve a very long process. So I'm going to cook it for 2 minutes and it's done. 2 more minutes. Guys, this is like after 2 minutes and my offer cook is done. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. This camera didn't do justice to this stew, I'm telling you. Because I don't have a very good camera. How I wish I had a very good camera. It didn't do justice to it, but you guys have to accept it like this. Just prepare it yourself and you understand what I'm saying. Follow the same procedure or prepare it and you understand what I'm saying. So guys, this is the final look. Can you see it? Can you see how yummy it's looking, guys? It's so delicious. I ate it with my rice and it tastes so good, guys. It tastes so delicious. You need to try this out. You need to give it a trial. Can you see it? Wow. Wow, guys. You need to give it a trial. Honestly, it tastes so good. There's no much difference from the one they made in Nigeria. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Write your comment in the comment section. And also share this video with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.